Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Unlock endless virtual cycling and running with the Zwift app, updated for 2025. Getting started is easier than ever, transforming your indoor workouts into exciting, social adventures. Experience vibrant virtual worlds, join group rides, or follow structured training plans right from your living room. Zwift connects you to a global community, making fitness fun and engaging, no matter your experience level. It is your passport to an immersive fitness journey. Setting up your Zwift station is straightforward, requiring just a few key items. At its core, you will need a bicycle, a trainer to hold it in place, and the Zwift app downloaded onto your device. Smart trainers provide the most immersive experience, automatically adjusting resistance to match the virtual terrain. Alternatively, classic trainers work well with separate speed, cadence, or power sensors, connecting wirelessly to the app. Choose the setup that best suits your budget and fitness goals. Once your equipment is ready, the next step is connecting everything to the Zwift app. Open the app and navigate to the pairing screen. Here, you will connect your bike sensors, like your power meter, speed sensor, or smart trainer, using either Bluetooth or ANT+. The app will display a list of nearby devices, allowing you to select yours easily. A stable connection ensures your in-game avatar accurately reflects your real-world effort, making every ride smooth and enjoyable. With your setup complete, it is time to choose your adventure within Zwift's expansive universe. The app offers a variety of virtual worlds, from the iconic Watopia to the futuristic Neo-Kayo, each with unique routes and scenery. You can join scheduled group rides, compete in thrilling races, or simply free ride and explore at your own pace. For structured training, Zwift provides numerous workout plans tailored to different fitness goals, guiding you through every pedal stroke to improve your performance. To truly maximize your Zwift experience, dive into its vibrant community and leverage the robust progress tracking. Give other riders a ride on, join clubs, or chat during group events to connect with fellow enthusiasts worldwide. As you ride more, you will unlock new bikes, kits, and accessories to customize your in-game avatar, continuously setting new goals and monitoring your fitness gains through the Zwift Companion app keeps you motivated and ensures your indoor training remains exciting and rewarding. Enjoy the ride.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.